When the pandemic hit, everyone who could started working from home literally overnight. The target was extremely clear, and we just had to make it work.
Now we're about to venture into a new disruption as companies return to the office and prepare to work in a hybrid way. But this time, the waters are murkier. Some people can't wait to get back to the office. Others want to retain their newfound flexibility. Everyone expects inclusion and fairness. This could be the greatest workplace innovation of our times, or a mess.
We shouldn't expect our leaders and teams to get this perfect from the start, but rather we have to help them become intentionally adaptable, intentional in their approach, and adaptable as they learn. As you finalize your hybrid and future work plans, we encourage you to think about 3 things to make your organization successful. First, despite the best of intentions, your hybrid ways will actually be the accumulation of all the decisions that your leaders make daily in the critical moments that happen. So why not let them test that out in a safe space before you toss them into the chaos of real life, using a simulation to explore the trade-offs, the implications, the unintended consequences of their choices.
Second, grounded in this more thoughtful context, help teams have conversations about how they're going to work together in a hybrid way and how they'll learn and adapt quickly as they go. We do this with a digital toolkit that gives you data about how teams are learning and adapting real time, so you can improve the ways of working across the entire organization.
Many people are already exhausted by all the change in this last year. This is the time to help them examine their relationship to change, individually and collectively, so that we can help them increase their capacity for change and what's ahead. We have created 3 immersive experiences to bring this to life for you. We hope to see you there.